good, YouTube? I am E.Reap, and this is another clothing pickup video. Oh man, where do I start? I got two pickups from two pretty famous, people. One guy probably more famous than the other, at this point. But they do share a connection, which is funny that I decided to film these together, not even thinking about the connection beforehand. But one is from Drusky TV or Drusky Too Funny. I'm not sure what his name is on social media, but he does a lot of skits. And the other one, is an OVO pickup from Drake, of course. So let's go ahead and get into it. And everybody that has subscribed, I know I tell you time and time again, but I really appreciate the support, man. I never thought I would make it this far on YouTube. But that just lets me know that I'm doing something right with these videos. That, people are actually supporting me and definitely engage. Y'all, surprisingly, I do get a good amount of engagement on my videos. I mean, of course, certain videos people are more interested than others, but you guys still come through, show love, man. So I definitely appreciate it. It keeps me motivated to keep dropping videos. So in this particular pickup from Drusky, I got the 4Lifers tee. I got two 4Lifers tees, and then the Kyle Roger. That's part of a lot of his skits. The 4Lifers. So we got the black and orange long sleeve. You can see that. 4Lifers, and then on the back, I mean, if you know about the skits, then you know what all that means. 4Lifers. Anything we did, I never tell. So that's the black one, and then the white. So I got the white short sleeve, white and orange. And then the same thing on the back. So this particular drop, it was white and black, of course. So it was white short sleeve, black short sleeve, white long sleeve, black long sleeve, and then the white hoodie and black hoodie. I don't remember what my thought process was as far as getting the long sleeve black and then the white. But yeah, I don't know. But pretty like standard merch quality, if that makes sense to you guys. It's not like really high quality stuff, but it is a t-shirt. And it's not the worst material either. And this one, the Kyle Roger University. That's his frat boy like persona in the skits. And this is where the Drake connection comes in, actually. Because he sent Drake the hoodie version of this. Drake made that video, went viral, of course. And then the Laugh Now, Cry Later video. Who do you see in there? You got Drusky. So that's where the connection comes into play. But honestly, that wasn't even a thought process when I was like planning my videos. So yeah, that was the Drusky merch. Now let's get into the OVO merch. I definitely have a few pieces of OVO. I mean, Drake is my favorite artist. I wouldn't call him a rapper, of course, because he sings as well, so I would just say artist. But my favorite rapper is still Lil Wayne, even though, he's not the same Weezy from years ago, of course, but still my favorite rapper. So shout out to Wayne, because without Wayne, there wouldn't be Drake. Okay, we got the OVO invoice. Okay, we don't need that. No stickers this time, but it's all good. So I've been waiting for something similar to this to drop from OVO again, because I missed out on the first release. So yeah, I can go ahead and open up the bag for you. So I got a t-shirt and a hoodie this time. So we got the gray heritage hoodie, with the maple leaf, that Canadian flag inside the owl. Then October's very own. It's like it's similar to the that D Borders video I did as far as like the material? No, not D Borders. The Cactus Jack video. That big clothing haul I did. If you haven't watched that, throw it up there or up here. And it's still like the same like raised like rubber material. But it's definitely not something. It's not the screen printed, so it's not gonna mess up in the wash. So you definitely get good wears out of it. But I wanted. Well, let me just show you this piece first before I tell you what I really want. Oh, it's a crew neck, not a hoodie. My apologies. I got the Heritage crew neck. So you got the black owl with the maple leaf as well. October's very own on the front. And this is actually embroidered. You can see that. No screen printing on this, straight embroidered. So it's definitely quality. But like I was saying, I wanted the LG owl hoodie, which is black as well, but the owl, you know, it takes up like the entire front, and it has the same maple leaf on it, but it's like it's a bigger figure, or like it's a bigger symbol. So there's a short video today for you guys. I know I'm usually long-winded with this stuff, but not much to say. I will link everything down below as always. I'm not sure if Drusky has any new merch coming out, but like I said, I'll link his I'll link the IG and the website so you can keep up with the updates. And those particular items are restocks except for the Cal Roger. I think the Cal Roger was a brand new drop, but the 4Lifers, that's like the fan favorite. I believe it's like the most popular item that he has on his website, so he restocked that, and I was lucky to pick that up. I want to say they sold out within a few days after the restock. And then the OVO stuff, I mean, it's hit or miss. Some drops sell out faster than others. I know with this particular drop, the t-shirt sold out. And I want to say within the first 30 minutes to an hour. The crew neck, you know, is a bit pricier. So I'm not sure if that sold out or not, but I do know that the t-shirt sold out. So, with that being said, man, it's been your boy E Reap with another clothing pickup. Definitely going to be bringing you guys some more videos very soon. I know I've been slacking a little bit, but you know, work, of course. Then I've been getting back in the gym. Well, not in the gym, you know, social distance and everything. I've been running again, running on the treadmill. Definitely bought one for the house. So I definitely don't have any excuses. So you know what? I need you guys to hold me accountable. So right now, as I'm filming this video, there's 191 of you guys. 191 family members out there. So if you see this video, stay on me. Just drop some running emojis down in the comments, man. Keep me motivated. No more excuses, you know. I have no reason not to get in shape. I have a treadmill in the house. So I'm trying to get right. But yeah, like I said, man, I had a lot going on, but I'm definitely trying to find that balance between working out, and actually making this content for you guys, because this is fun. This is the fun part of my day, you know, after work and everything and working out. Working out is starting to get fun again, you know, a little bit, but like making YouTube videos is definitely the most fun part. Especially like buying the stuff for the videos. Like I can do that all day. But you gotta go to work to get the money, so I don't want to ramble on any further, man. So drop those running emojis down below and hold me accountable, man. I appreciate you guys.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your guys and now y'all excited.